say you Happy Independence Day to you all. As Rishikesh sir has asked you, are we really independent? Children, are we really independent? Even though our freedom fighter has struggled so much for this Independence Day, we are never get rid of this phone. Are we independent? Are we independent from this smartphone? One of our English teacher used to say us, this phone is nothing but a necessary evil. Necessary but an evil. Every time, before in the past ages, our grandfather, forefather, they used to truly celebrate the independence. Every day they used to be an independent elder or person. Because every time they used to feel the nature around us. What is truly independence? What do we mean about independence? Get rid of everything and sit with ourselves is said to be a truly independence. What our freedom fighter has taught us? Our freedom fighter has struggled so much from last centuries and made us to be get rid out of those of all troubles. But we are not independent of the technology. Every time, this is just an assumption. If I will be asking anybody's phone and I will be taking, I could say that all of your phone data are on. When our phone data are on, we are not private and we are not independent. We are exposed to somebody. You do not know the dark side of the technology. When our data, do you know, let me say you some of the facts that ex-employees of Facebook, Google has told in one of the documentary. When our data are on and we have front camera, it doesn't mean nobody is seeing us. It is highly possible if our data is on and we have a front camera, somebody could see us. It is highly probable because we are exposed to the internet. We can say that we are independent when we get rid of the necessary evil. Use any object around you, whatever you are using, use for purpose, not for your useless desires. At least from today, we need to spend some 5 to 10 minutes with ourselves by getting rid of this phone, this internet and everybody. Then only we can feel what independent life is. Then only we can feel what the truth of independence and freedom is. We are always dependent on others. One of the students in the last has said me when I was sitting there, so as a student we will be somehow dependent on the teachers. No, I have advised him, no, you shouldn't be dependent upon the teachers. You should learn from teacher and stay independent. Whenever we are with lot of troubles, why we start depending upon everybody? The first essential step that we should take out is stay calm. This whole freedom fighter has the most powerful weapon the Britishers that has put on us, and we were able to get rid and we have got our freedom. So why can't we? As a student, as a children, we have greater advantage that we are exposure of many things. So I would like to request all the students, pick out around 5 to 6 minutes in a day and get rid of all phones and just sit calmly. You will be getting every answers of your whole life and on that particular 5 to 6 minutes. That's a guarantee. Thank you so much and happy Independence Day to you all.